Hi everyone, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to put on some add-ons that I find very useful in Thunderbird, the mail client, and Firefox, the web browser. So first, a little note is I've actually done this video once perfectly, but then I found out as I was uploading I had no sound because I forgot to turn on my microphone, which really sucks. So well, at least I know what to say. Yes, alright. Let's fire up Thunderbird. Press this button and go to mail. First off, I will, first off, let's do a little change. Go to edit and then preferences. And then if you go to the composition and go to the spelling tab, you see there are some languages right here. And I just installed the Danish one because I like spell checking on my mails. So if you want, then download more dictionaries right here, and it will open a tab in the Thunderbird client. Oh Jesus, no, go back. There we go. Alright, and then browse through it, and for example I will go to Danish and download dictionary, add to Thunderbird, click. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, as the new Boston said. And then just install now. I just installed it again. Alright. And another thing is the actual add-ons. Let's go to tools and then add-ons, and then get add-ons right here. First off, let's go to it's right here. You can search for light. There are two options right here. This is the add-on we want. The difference between those are, this is the development release, which means that if it gets compiled, which means the programs write new code and then puts the program together every night. That's why it's called nightly updater, because it gets updated every night. Maybe not every night, but it gets recompiled every night, changes or not. So this could be a bit unstable, but let's go with the stable one, the Lightning 1.0 install. And another one, I will explain what the different ones do. The another one, just type Google, and this one is provider for Google Calendar 0.9. Install. What these two does is you can have your calendar, your Google Calendar, in this mail client. So it's both your mail and your calendar program, which is awesome, really. And yeah, it asks us to reboot or reload the restart the program. So let's do that. Just close it up. I have 2 instances, 3. Alright, and then just go to this one and mail again. Here we go. You see some new things. Right here we have 2 icons. It's the tasks, and we have the calendar. Let's close this one. I like the month view. So by default it says home, which is the default one, which is just locally on your computer, but we want our Google Calendar in here. So we go to new calendar, right click, and go to new calendar. And then we want it on the network, not on my computer. Bam. Alright, we get some different opportunities or choices right here. And what the Google provider thing add-on did is add this option, Google Calendar, which is great and very useful. So to get the location of your calendar, you should go fire up your Firefox, kind of funny, and go to Gmail or your Google Calendar. It has to be in the browser, and go to Calendar. Here we go. And for example, this is my private one. There are not many appointments yet. And go to Calendar Settings. That is the little arrow, and then Calendar Settings. Then if you scroll down, the calendar address, that is the location that Thunderbird is asking for. Then let's choose the XML version, because that's what Thunderbird reads. And copy link location. Bam. Alright. Tab. You can Alt Tab, Alt or Command on Mac, and then Tab, and go to Thunderbird. Now the location, just right click, paste, or Control V or Command V, and then next. Let's choose a name. It's just private. Color, I like colors. This blue. Show alarms, yes. Bam. Password. All depending on how you like your security. You can type it every time you load up Thunderbird or your calendars, but I'll just store it in my password manager. Your calendar has been created. Hey, we're all happy. Whoa, look, there are 2 appointments right here. So we can delete the default one. And actually, as you saw, I have multiple. I actually have 3 calendars: my private, my music, and work. And what you do is just repeat this. Eventually, just scroll back in the video and watch it again, and follow the steps for the next ones if you couldn't remember. And for Firefox, there are some great add-ons for this browser too. If you go to Add-Ons, and as you see, it's almost exactly the same as in. It is exactly the same as in Thunderbird, because Mozilla made Thunderbird and Firefox. So, one add-on I use all the time, and is the main reason for I'm using Firefox, is an add-on called Vimperator, which means if I want to open a new, let's say I want to open Google on this tab, I press O, and you see down here it says open, and then I type Google. Actually I can just, and then tab. If I tap down here, it says Google. And it's kind of a workflow, which is coming from the a text editor called Vim, which is based on VI, but Vim. Let's just test it. Hello. Oh, it started. Hello. And the cool things are, I don't use my mouse at all. I can't actually use my mouse. I use K and J, for K going up and J going down. And if I go hello, yeah, whatever, then I choose K to go down and J to go down. Oh, K to go up. It's just a flow you get used to, but go on and look for search for something that you like. I know there are some really good RSS feeds, feed readers, if you're updated that way. So yeah, that is all for this time. Next time I will cover go into an intro on using the terminal, or it's called the CMD command prompt in Windows, but terminal or command line in a Unix or Linux universe. So stay tuned. It's going to be great next time. So well, thank you for watching. Remember to rate, or a thumbs up or thumbs down, and leave a comment, whatever. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.